I'm the Paleo Giant, and today I'm making low carb sushi. I decided to make this not because carbs are bad, because they're not bad. They're a very important nutrient. I made this sushi low carb because I can't believe I'm saying this. I'm the problem. Yes, it's me. I'm the problem. Look, I tend to overindulge, and I learned in my 400 years on this earth, too much of a good thing is a bad thing. That's crazy, right? And much like the 100% of the population that lives in the Milky Way, I'm a slut for sushi. Like twerking on top of cars type slut. I'll twerk for some sushi. Don't play with me. But look, making it this way with cauliflower rice makes me not have food regret later. And that's all what being healthier is really. Finding out what you're a slut to and make healthier substitutions. But there's nothing wrong with every now and then hiding in the pantry away from the judgmental eyes of your family, especially those judgmental babies. Cause why are babies so judgmental? So what if I ate your box of teas and cookies? I paid for them. Anywho, moderation is key. Sometimes you need to step away from your diet to get a little tasty taste of that creamy, delicious Vixen we call ice cream, just so you can stay on your diet. The secret for living for 600 years like I have, the secret is moderation. You're welcome. I've seen so much. I've tasted so little. Wait a second. Baby! I got an idea to get us out the hood. Make an ice cream flavor called In Moderation. So when asked if you're eating healthy, you can say, I'm eating in moderation. Oh yeah, that's the one. That's the one that's gonna get us out of here. Listen, this recipe is super easy and it tastes just as good. Look at that. If you made it this far, go ahead, like, comment, and follow me in that exact order. And if you say you don't like sushi, stop lying to yourself. You like sushi? You do. And now go out there and taste to see. I don't know about y'all, but I'm about to eat.